What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jeff back at it like a food addict here outside Burger King. Figured did do a video yesterday like I said I was going to do, so I'm going to try the Impossible Whopper. So got my girl on the back side of the camera helping me out. We're going to go ahead, head inside, try this Impossible Whopper, see what it's all about. So peace for now. What's up? I'm back. So went into Burger King, got me some food, got me some onion rings. Oh, I love onion rings. They're so good. Look at that. Oh, golden brown. I don't know, just something about Burger King onion rings that I love. What other kind of mysteries we got inside this bag here? Oh, reach down into my bag of tricks here. Pull out this new Impossible Whopper. So apparently this is a vegan Whopper. No beef added. It's a new craze going around. Looks just like a Whopper. Smells just like a Whopper. It almost looks a little bit better than a Whopper. And of course, for the onion rings, we got the good zesty sauce. Oh, yes, yes, yes. This is like the best sauce to go with anything. Take the onion ring, dip it right inside there. Eat it all up. Ooh, straight pickle. Alrighty. Oh, a little bit too much tomato on there for me. So I'll go ahead and take one of them off. Well, Impossible Whopper. Here we go. Probably got sauce all over my face. I really don't care. For me being a meat eater, I can definitely tell it's not beef. It still tastes like a Whopper. It's really good. Really, really, really good. But yeah, I can definitely tell it's not real beef.
Is it dry?
Is it what?
Is it dry?
No.
Is it juicy?
It is actually really juicy. And I got my girl helping with the camera. Just gonna zoom in on it there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and go over the camera so she can try a little bite.
Oh.
It's different. But I like it. Apparently it's healthy. I'm making a mess of myself. Would I order it again? Probably. Is it something I'm going to die to have? Probably not. Just, it's one of those things. It's like going and ordering a steak and they bring you something that's not a steak. It's just, it's messy. It's dripping. Definitely glad I added cheese to it. The more I get into it, the more it does taste like a traditional Whopper. But like I said, I can definitely tell it's not real meat. Tastes a lot better than I thought it would, though. Thought it would have like a cardboard taste or something. I don't know. Guess it really doesn't matter because I was hungry. So I was going to eat it regardless. You know. They should make an angry Impossible Whopper. Add some jalapenos to it. Yeah. That's by far my best Burger King burger I love. The Angry Whopper. Yep. Oh. Got some burps coming from the background there. But like my girl said the other day when we heard Impossible Whopper, we were kind of thinking of a food challenge, like maybe 4 or 5 beef patties, all the toppings. So then we had to look it up on YouTube. One second here. Oh, excuse me. And we found out that's made by plants in a little lab. It was interesting to watch. But overall, it was pretty good. Like I said, will I order it again? Maybe. Maybe not. A lot better burgers out there. But yeah. And oddly enough, I'm full. Like I said in my intro video yesterday, I'm on a health kick, so I guess being able to eat a burger like that, and it's healthy for me, I'll give it props for that. But I used to be able to sit here and eat 2 to 3 Whoppers. Oh, excuse me. Just remember, folks, better to burp and taste it than to fart and waste it. But when me eating less, exercise, can't stop burping. Sorry. Me eating less and exercising more, my stomach shrunk. I just can't eat a lot of food like I used to. But yeah, I think I'm pretty full right now. Weather's getting kind of humid right now. It's supposed to thunderstorm later on. But I think I'm going to wrap it up right there. And then until we see you next time, don't forget to like, comment down below, share this video, and if you like what you see, subscribe. You know, I hope to see you again later. Peace.